So here we have the seated leg extension. Now, a couple of things to think about in regards to setup. You might have an adjustable axis of rotation on your machine. If you do, you're going to try and line up that knee with where that machine is rotating. From there, as you can see, there's a couple of handles down here. Ali is going to be locking himself down, keeping himself nice and secure, not letting his hips rise, and at the same time, driving his lower back into that pad. From there, he's not just going to kick the machine up like you'll see so many people do. He's actually going to think about squeezing these, initiating, turning them on, and then from there just extending upward. Up you come. Slight pause, and then down slowly. What a lot of people will do is they'll bounce out at the bottom. What we want you to do is think about initiation here, and from there, all the way up, squeeze the teardrop muscle there. A little coaching cue I like to give is your internal thought process at the top. As Ali comes back up, what he's going to think about doing is getting the back of the knee away from that pad. And that's just going to ensure, as you can see, his leg is fully locked, because one of the most common things people will do is as they extend, they'll tend to stop there. And if we're not all the way up, we're not getting the most out of this teardrop muscle there. So there you have seated leg extension.